Hi, I'm Sichuan Chen, and today I'll be going over the solution of Prairie Math League High School Round 150, question 4. So the circular window shown in the diagram right here has 9 planes of equal area, which means that you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 shapes separated by segments. And they have equal area, which means this shape right here will be having the same area of this shape right here and this little circle in the middle. And the inner circular plane have a radius of 20 centimeters. So this little circle in the middle right here have the radius of 20 centimeters. And the same center as the outside circle. So this larger circle and the smaller circle share the same center right here. The 8 lines separating the outside planes are of the equal length x, and all, if extended, will pass through O. So if we extend those lines, we can separate this larger circle into 8 equal pieces. So what is the value of x? So if we're looking for the value of x, we can first try to find the area of this shape that x created right here. And if we know that this shape have the same area of this little circle in the middle, because all 9 planes have the equal area, we can first find the area of this circle. And we know that the formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared. So if we know the radius of the circle right here, which is 20. So the area of the circle is 20 squared pi. Okay, so how can we look for the area of this shape right here? So if we extend those lines right, separating the outside plane right here, we can create 8 pieces that creates this larger circle. And if we find the area of this larger piece and minus the area of the smaller piece right here, we can get the area of this shape. So to find the area of this larger shape right here, we need to first find the area of this larger circle and then divide by 8 because they're creating 8 identical shapes. To find the area of the larger circle, we first need to find the radius. So the radius, right, which is this line right here, we know that this have a length of 20 and the outer segment have the length of x. So the radius of this larger circle will be x plus 20. So the area of this larger circle will be bracket x plus 20 bracket and square pi. And we'll need to divide this whole thing by 8 because we only need the area of this piece. And we'll need to minus the area of the smaller piece, which is 1/8% of the smaller circle. So the area of the smaller circle is 20 squared pi, which we found earlier. And we divide this whole thing by 8 too. Okay, so we can simplify this whole thing by first of all extracting the pi and expanding this piece of the equation. So we first extract pi right here. And we expand this. So this is a simple a plus b square equation. So a plus b square will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this case, it will be x squared plus 220x, which is 40x, plus 20 squared. And then minus this 20 squared right here. Oops. And then divide this whole thing by 8. And then we can simplify this by getting rid of this plus 20 squared and the minus 20 squared. Okay, so the simplified version of this whole function will be pi bracket x squared plus 40x over 8. So this is the area of this shape right here. So how do we find the value of x? We will need to create a equation. Because we know the area of this shape will be equaling the area of this smaller circle right here, we can write this equation as this whole thing equals to 20 squared pi. So first of all, we can get rid of the pi on both sides by dividing them. So equal to x squared plus 40x equals to 8 times 20 squared. And you can try to solve for x, but in this case, since I've already solved for it, x1 equals to 40 and x2 equals to negative 80. And because a side length cannot have a negative value, 40 will be the final answer. And we'll see that C40 will be the final answer for this question.